Hello friends! In today's video, I would like to introduce to you uses and how to use rice water to irrigate vegetables and crops. First, I will talk about the effects of rice water. Rice water contains a lot of starch and a lot of B vitamins, especially B1, B6, B12. These vitamins are one of the essential nutrients for plants. Vitamin B12 also has the effect of detoxifying and restoring plant health. In addition, the starch in rice water will ferment when watered into the soil, creates beneficial microorganisms, destroys pathogens, and decomposes organic matter in the soil. Next, I will show you how to use it. When we wash rice, we will get milky white water like this. I would dilute them in a ratio of 1 part rice water to 3 parts plain water. Actually, you can mix it in any ratio you like, not diluting it is fine. Because it is not like fertilizer, it does not harm plants. Depending on the amount of rice water and the number of crops you have, mix accordingly. After diluting, you will use it to water the plants directly, no need to compost it. I'll water these plants with it. You can spray it on the leaves or water the roots, both are good. I will spray directly like this. Spray as much as possible, as it is non-toxic. This can replace fertilizer for plants if we water it regularly. You will be surprised with its results. And here are the results after 7 days. Plants grow very well. Many young shoots have grown. The tree is healthy, completely disease-free. If you watch the video and find it interesting, remember to like the video to support me. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to watch the next video. And remember to share for others to see how to do this. Thank you very much. The video ends here. Goodbye and see you again.